tonight? Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a bright summer day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. You know, someone said that the world's a stage and we each must play a part. Fate had me playing in love with you as my sweetheart. Act 1 was when we met. I loved you at first glance. You read your lines so cleverly, never missed a cue. Then came Act 2. You seemed to change, you acted strange, and why I never know. Honey, you lied when you said you loved me, and I had no cause to doubt you, but I'd rather go on hearing your lies than go on with living without you. Now the stage is bare, and I'm standing there with emptiness all around. And if you won't come back to me, they can bring the curtain down. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.